Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and today we are on the first day of July and doing watercolor workout because on Art Joy Sharing, we're all about fluid media this month. So I had started this on the video that I did for you yesterday, and I was talking about the challenges that we're doing for the month. And yeah, you can see me talking with my hands there. So I have a sketched out image that I've applied a little bit of watercolor. These are Daniel Smith watercolors onto the background of this particular piece. And then I'm going to add some more colors and just work this over. Um, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking through this video because it's mostly me just thinking about how I'm painting and what I want to do with this particular photo, this particular journal page. So most of these colors are from a palette that I had created earlier, and I'm using some Quin Gold, some transparent red oxide, some indigo, some Cascade green, some Perylene green, the Quin magenta, Quin lilac, and alizarin crimson. So, oh yeah, and there's a purple in there too, isn't there? What did I use for my purple? It was not Moonglow. Oh, it was a Quin purple. Okay. Ooh. So, I'm using my Pentel pencil to sketch out further, and I decided when I first sketched this, I sketched it with the eyes shut, but I want this individual to have open eyes today because I want to do an open eye image. So I'm redoing my original sketch and making a few changes. So as you can see, this is not strictly watercolor. I am a mixed media artist and I'm dragging out my pens. I have this Pentel brush pen and I more product than just watercolor. So as I'm adding the Pentel brush pen, I'm going to also get a water brush because as this ink is still wet, this is a India ink. I can move it with a water brush and help it to blend into my imagery. So that's what I'm doing, is making it more of a fluid ink by adding the water. So if you're not familiar with Art Joy is Sharing, all the links and things are in the description box below. It's a Facebook group. It's also the name of my sister channel that I share with Shell C, where we do live video each Thursday at 10:30 Central Time. And hope you can come and join us over there because we will be doing things with the challenges and fluid things this month also in our live show. So I continue to work with Posca pens, with the Pentel pen, with um, watercolor from Daniel Smith, just to get the image to look the way I want it to. And, I want to have the highlights and lowlights and the colorization in the eyes. I'm not accustomed to working with watercolor to preserve the lighter layers. So, I'm struggling with this a bit, but maybe after a month of playing with this challenge, I might get a little bit better at this. But I hope you're enjoying the video. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you like, share, subscribe, click the bell for notifications so that you get notified when a new video comes out. And just realized I didn't give this girl any eyelashes. Okay, maybe on the next page. But I intend to try to push myself and do as many videos as I can this month. We shall see, because I have a few other things coming up and I'll have to work around that. But I enjoyed doing mostly a daily video last month. We did a lot of videos because we were doing the artist trading card every day for the month of June. So we have a lot of fun challenges. All right, so just adding some of the pen work. I'm chatting with a friend as I'm doing this. I want to use some of those golden tones in the shadowy areas. So I'm blending that in. And yeah, making a mess out of her neck. Okay, I'll quit critiquing because, I'm not a real fan of this particular one, but it's daily work. So it's not a masterpiece. It wasn't meant to be a masterpiece. It was meant to be my daily work. Thanks, guys. Remember to be kind, love one another, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.